Hi, welcome to HardReset channel. In front of me, Poco F6, and now I'm gonna show you how to bypass FRP protection on this device. So, factory reset protection activates when you hard reset your device, when your screen lock is enabled, and then it asks you for old password or logging into the old Google account, but unfortunately sometimes we have several Google accounts and it asks about one of them we don't remember. So in this situation we need to bypass FRP on our device. So to bypass it, firstly we need to have the SIM card with enabled PIN code, and we need to have the Wi-Fi internet connection. So firstly, connect to the Wi-Fi. So select the English language, click next, 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 scroll down, I read next, checking for the SIM card, skip this tab and click next. And here, as you can see, my device is locked by FRP. So here we need to choose the Wi-Fi network we will use. Choose it, enter the password and wait a while. Cool. Right now we need to insert the SIM card. So open the SIM slot. And insert the SIM card in the slot and then in your device. And if you have PIN code enabled, you will see this screen. Then you need to click emergency. Type here 112. Nextly, as you can see, Google Maps is opened, so right now we just need to click on any place in Google Map, then click share button, choose messages here, click new message, type here 911, click send to 911, or any other number you can input. Remove this link and enter www. It's very important to enter www.youtube.com and click SMS. Right now click on the youtube.com link, and as you can see, YouTube application opened. Click don't allow, click on account logo icon. Here, click settings, choose about, then you should click Google privacy policy, and right now we are in Google Chrome browser. As you can see, our device is still locked. Here, click use without an account, click continue, don't allow, and here enter HardReset.Info /bypass and click enter. Here click on the green button and scroll down and choose settings app. As you can see, now we are in settings, but it's not the end. So here you need scroll down and find additional settings. In additional settings, scroll down again and find second space. In second space, click turn on the second space. As you can see, our device is still locked. Oops! As you can see, right now we have no lock icon on our device. But it's not the end, so now click continue. Using a shortcut, click continue. Click skip setting up the password. Permissions required. Click allow. And cool, as you can see right now, your device without a password any. So right now we just need to click and press and hold power and volume up buttons and just reboot device. And after rebooting the device, your device will not ask you about any passwords or accounts. Just wait for it. And cool. Right now we just need to unlock our device. And cool, as you can see right now, we are not in second space, we're just in normal space, and it don't ask us about any account. We can sign in the regular or any other Google account you have. And so that's it. That's it. So I suggest you firstly make the factory reset of your device. So open About Phone maybe? Yes, factory reset and click erase all data. And after that, just set up your device like new phone, and that's it. Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.